Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connection type, so troubleshooting is valid. First, if wireless, charge to above 20% or insert fresh batteries. If wired, swap to a known good USB port. Once done, disable any USB hubs or dongles and connect directly to the computer. Make sure Bluetooth is off, then back on to clear pairing glitches. These actions remove power and link issues, so later steps focus on drivers and software rather than hardware ambiguity. Next, you address software because many disconnects stem from faulty drivers or outdated firmware. Open Device Manager, locate the keyboard, right-click and uninstall, then reboot to let the OS reinstall fresh drivers. While rebooting, download the manufacturer's firmware and driver package so you can update if needed. Follow their installer. Make sure human interface device and plug-and-play services are running. Once updated, verify keyboard stability before moving to physical checks or advanced settings. Finally, you lock down power and isolate the fault. In Power Options, disable USB Selective Suspend and set the keyboard device to not allow the computer to turn it off. This prevents sleep-related disconnects. If problems persist, test the keyboard on a different computer to determine if the device itself is failing. If the keyboard supports a factory reset or onboard firmware restore, perform that last. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues remain, swap cables or contact support with serial and test logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.